Welcome my channel Kakaiba TV. Another sharing old coins from Brazil. Portuguese. Standard circulation coin year 1889 to 1912. Composition bronze. Weight 12 grams, diameter 30 millimeter. Thickness 2.10 millimeter. Shape round. Orientation. Coin alignment. Obverse the Southern Cross star at center. Surrounded by circle of star. Script Latin. Translation. Republic of the United States of Brazil, 1897. Reverse denomination. Within beaded circle. Script Latin. Translation. Economy makes prosperity. Portuguese. Muito obrigado, muitas gracias, grazie, danke, merci. Domo arigato, shukran, salamat. Simple sharing.